85 kilogram of mixture contain milk and water in the ratio 27:7. How much more water is to be added to get a new mixture containing milk and water in the ratio 3:1 in kilogram? Here always remember this 85 kilogram is in the ratio 27:7. So this 27:7 means total parts is equal to 27 plus 7, 34 part. So 34 part is equal to 85 kilogram. 17 goes 2 times in 34, 17 goes 5 times in 85. So 2 part here is equal to 5 kilogram. Now here 1 part is 2.5 kilogram. So instead of that I will write the milk and water in the ratio as it is, that is 27:7. Now you have to add certain amount of water, then the ratio should become 3:1. Milk and water in the container should become 3:1 when you add this certain amount of water. Now you can see you are only adding water part, which means here milk part should be same. So here milk part is 3 part in the final mixture, means 3 part should be 27. 3 into 9 will give you 27. That is 1 part is 27 means here water part is 1 part. So which is equal to 1 into 9, 9 part. So initially water part was 7 part. Finally it is 9 part when you add certain amount of water, which means here water part should be 2 part. Now we already know here 2 part is 5 kilogram. So option A is your answer. Don't forget to equate this 27:7, 34 part as 85 kilogram. If 2 is in the option, after doing this first calculation you will get 2 part as the answer. Then you may try to equate 2 part as 2 kilogram. That is wrong. Zinc and copper are melted together in the ratio 9:11. What is the weight of melted mixture if 28.8 kilogram of zinc has been consumed in it? Here don't get wrong idea about consumption. Here this is not consumed from 9:11, but this 9:11 ratio needed zinc consumption of 28.8 kilogram. That is, here melting process requires 28.8 kilogram of zinc in it. So here 9 part is equal to 28.8 kilogram. So take zinc copper ratio, which is 9:11. Now 9 part is equal to 28.8 kilogram means 1 part is equal to 9 into 3 is 27, 9 into 2 is 18. So 1 part is 3.2. Then total weight of this mixture is equal to 9 plus 11, 20 part. So 20 part is equal to 20 into 3.2, which is 20 into 3, 60, 20 into 0.2, 4 kilogram. So 64 kilogram. Option C is your answer. 3 containers have their volumes in the ratio 3:4:5. They are full to mixtures of milk and water. The mixtures contain milk and water in the ratio 4:1, 3:1 and 5:2 respectively. The contents of all these 3 containers are poured into a 4th container. The ratio of milk and water in the 4th container is. Here 3 containers contain milk and water in the ratio 4:1, 3:1 and 5:2. Now you are pouring all these 3 mixtures to another container, that is to a 4th container. So to find the ratio of milk and water in the 4th container, first you have to equate the parts here. Here you can see milk and water contents. Total milk and water content in first container is 4 plus 1, 5 part. Here 3 plus 1, 4 part. And here 5 plus 2, 7 part. All are not equal. So first we have to equate it. Then only we can find the milk and water content in the 4th container. So here take the LCM of 5, 4 and 7. LCM of 5, 4 and 7, which is equal to 5 into 4 into 20. 20 into 7 is 140. But actually you don't need this, because you have to equate this first container part to 140. So 5 into 4 into 7 is 140. You can see 5 into 4 into 7 is 140. Again, you have to equate this 4 part to 140. 4 into 5 into 7. 4 into 5 into 7 is 140. Again, you have to equate the 7 part to 140. 7 into 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 140. Now if you look at this, 5 into 4 into 7 140, 4 into 5 into 7 140, 7 into 5 into 4 140. We have equalized the part. Milk and water part, if you take total milk and water part in first container it is 140, in the second container it is 140, in the third container it is also 140. Now we have equated the total components in these three containers, and here we have one more thing left, that is volume of these three containers are different. So multiply first ratio with 3 part and second ratio with 4 part and third ratio with 5 part. Volume of first container is 3 part, second container is 4 part and third container is 5 part. Now we can take the ratio. Before that, here we can do simplification, that is 4 is there in all these three ratios, so cancel it. Now there is no common factor. Now you can take the ratio, that is here 21 into 4 is 84 and 21 into 1 is 21 and 35 into 3 is 70 plus 35 105 and 35 into 1 is 35. Again 25 into 5 is 125 and 25 into 2 is 50. So this is the milk and water component in the fourth container. So take the total sum. 1 plus 5 6, 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10 and 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, 3 plus 8 11, 3. So milk and water component ratio in fourth container is 314 is to 106. Divide it with 2, which will become 157 is to 53. So option C is your answer. In a school, 10% of boys are same in number as 1 by 4th of the girl. What is the ratio of boys to girls in the school? Here 10% of boys. Take number of boys as B, which is same as 1 by 4th of the girls. Take number of girls as G. 10% means 1 by 10. So 10 will come here and 4 will come here. So boys and girls ratio is equal to 10 is to 4, which is equal to 5 is to 2. Option B is your answer. Two numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 5. If 9 is subtracted from each, the new numbers are in the ratio 12 is to 23. The smaller number is. Here answer node is given in the option. So don't go for option verification. If this option is not given, then you can find the answer just by option verification. That is, here smallest number means 3 part is the smallest number, which means the number should be a multiple of 3. Here if you look at this, option C and option D and C are eliminated. Now when you subtract 9 from 33, which is equal to 24, and here when you subtract 9 from 27, which is equal to 18. Now when you subtract 9 from these three numbers, the ratio become 12 is to 23, which means the smaller number ratio become 12 part. 12 part means it should be a multiple of 12 after subtracting 9 from smaller number. Now you can see here 24 is a multiple of 12. 18 is not. So option B is your answer. Now the normal method to calculate this question is the numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 5. Now when you subtract 9 from it, the numbers will become 12 is to 23 ratio. Here difference between 3 and 12 is 9, but here difference between 5 and 23 is not 9. So to equalize the difference, just take the above difference and below difference. Above difference is 2. Difference between 5 and 3 is 2. Difference between 23 and 12 is 11. Now multiply the above ratio with below difference and multiply the below ratio with above difference. So the ratio, new ratio will become 33 is to 55 and here 24 is to 46. You can see difference between 33 and 24 and 55 and 46 both are same, which is 9. So 9 part is equal to 9 means 1 part is 1, which means numbers are 33 and 55 and the smaller number is 33. A sum of rupees 53 is divided among A, B, C in such a way that A gets 7 rupees more than what B gets and B gets 8 rupees more than what C gets. The ratio of their shares is. Take the shares of A, B, C as A, B, C. Now here A's reference is from B and B's reference is from C. So we have to take C's sum as 100 rupees. But here this is just 53 rupees total sum. So take it as 10 rupees. Now B get 8 more than what C gets. So B get 18 rupees. And A gets 7 rupees more than what B gets. So A gets 7 more than 18, which is 18 plus 7, 25 rupees. Now if you take sum of these three, which is equal to 35 plus 18 is 53 rupees. So 53 part is 53 rupees means here ratio of A, B and C is equal to 25 is to 18 is to 10. Option B is your answer. In a bag, there are coins of 25 paise, 10 paise and 5 paise in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. If there are total 30 rupees in all, how many 5 paise coins are there? So we have 25 paise, 10 paise and 5 paise coins. Numbers are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. So this is numbers ratio. And value of this 125 coin is equal to 25 itself. This is value ratio. Take value ratio. And value of 2 10 paise coin means 20 paise. And value of 3 5 paise coin means 15 paise. Now total value is equal to 25 plus 15, 40, 40 plus 20, 60. So 60 part is equal to total rupees is equal to 30 rupees, which is equal to 30 into 100, 3000 paise. 3000 paise. So 60 part is equal to 3000. Then 1 part is equal to 50. If 1 part is 50, then here we have to find number of 5 paise coin. Here number of 5 paise coins is equal to 3 part. So 3 into 50, 150 numbers. 150 numbers are 5 paise coin. Option C is your answer. Salaries of Ravi and Sumit are in the ratio 2 is to 3. If the salary of each is increased by 4,000, the new ratio becomes 40 is to 57. What is Sumit's present salary? Here salaries of Ravi and Sumit are in the ratio 2 is to 3. Now, when the salary increased by 4,000, new ratio becomes 40 is to 57. Here you can see difference between 2 and 40 and 3 and 57 are not same. So to equalize the difference, take the above difference which is 1 and below difference which is 17. Now multiply above ratio with below difference and multiply below ratio with above difference. Now new ratio become 17 into 2 34, 17 into 3 51. Here this is 40 and 57. Now you can see difference between 34 and 40 is 6 part and difference between 51 and 7 is 6 part. So 6 part is given as 4,000 rupees in the question. That is increment is 4,000 rupees. So here difference is the increment which is 6 part which is 4,000 rupees. Then we need Sumit present salary. Sumit present salary here is equal to 57 part. So 57 part is equal to 57 into 4,000 divided by 6 which is equal to 57 into 2,000 by 3. 3 goes 19 times in 57. So this will become 19 into 2 is 38,000. Option D is your answer. If you take current salary as 34 and 51, now after increment, salary become 40 is to 57. So already salary increased, which means present salary of Sumit is 57 part. Here you can leave this ratio after the equalization. This is the new ratio. A sum of rupees 1300 is divided between A, B, C and D such that share of A by B equal to B by C equal to C by D equal to 2 is to 3. Then A's share is. Take the ratio of A, B, C and D here. Here A by B ratio is 2 is to 3 and B by C ratio is 2 is to 3 and C by D ratio is 2 is to 3. Now take the whole ratio. Here C and D is missing in first ratio. Number nearest to C is 3. So fill it with 3 here. Here D is missing, number nearest to D is 3. Fill it here. Here A is missing, number nearest to A is 2. So fill it here. Here A and B missing, number nearest to it is 2. So fill it here. Now take the ratio. Here 2 cube is 8. 3 into 2 6 into 2 12. And 3 into 3 9. 9 into 2 18. 3 cube is 27. Now take the whole sum. Here, that is sum of ABCD is equal to 12 plus 18, 30, 30 plus 27, 57, 57 plus 8 is equal to 65 part. So here 65 part is given as 1300 in the question. Then 65 goes 20 times in 1300. 1 part is 20 means here A share is equal to 8 part, which is equal to 8 into 20, 160 rupees. Option B is your answer. A and B together have 1210 rupees. If 4 by 15 of A's amount equal to 2 by 5th of B's amount, then how much does B have? Here A plus B sum is equal to 1210 and 4 by 15 of A sum is equal to 2 by 5th of B sum. 5 goes 3 times in 15, 2 goes 2 times in 4. So A by B ratio is equal to 3 by 2 here. And 3 plus 2 is the total sum of A and B, which is 5 part, and 5 part is given as 1210 in the question. Then 1 part is equal to 5 goes 2 times in 12, 4 times in 21 and 2 times in 10. So 1 part is 242 means here amount B have is 2 part. So 2 part is equal to 2 into 242, 484 rupees. Option B is your answer. The ratio of number of boys and girls in a school is 3:2. If 20% of boys and 25% of girls are scholarship holders, what percentage of students does not get the scholarship? Here boys and girls ratio in the school is 3:2. So take it as 30 and 20. Number of boys is 30 and number of girls is 20 here. Now 20% means 20 by 100, which is 1 by 5 ratio. And 25% means 25 by 100, which is 1 by 4 ratio. So 1 by 5th of the boys are scholarship holders, which means here 1 part out of total 5 part boys are scholarship holders. So total number of boys 5 part, which is taken as 30 here. Total number of boys is taken as 30, which means 5 part is 30. 5 into 6 will give you 30, which means 1 part is 6. Then 1 part are scholarship holder, which is equal to 6. So scholarship holders among this 30 boys are 6 boys. And here 25% girls are scholarship holder means 1 by 4th of the girls are scholarship holder. That is 1 part girls out of the total 4 part girls are scholarship holder. So total number of girls is taken as 20 here. So 4 part is 20. 4 into 5 will give you 20. So 1 part is equal to 5 here. So 5 girls are scholarship holders among this 20 girls. Now total 6 plus 5, 11 out of total 50 are scholarship holders, which means here non-scholarship holders is equal to 50 minus 11 is 39. 39 out of 50 into 100 is the percentage. 50 goes 2 times in 100. 39 into 2 is 78. So option C is your answer. Non-scholarship holders are 39 out of this 50 students. So percentage is 78%.